Hello seekers, welcome back to the channel The GANN Way. What you are looking at is the forecast of Bitcoin. Many people have failed in the past to predict Bitcoin. All types of technical analysis and all those analysts were silent when their technicals didn't work on Bitcoin. Well, that's because I believe most of the tools they use are completely useless. Anyway, they are lagging indicators, so they can only show you the trend after it has come to an end. I myself have tried all these tools in the past, and all I can say is that they are really bad. That is the reason why most of the traders quit, because they rely heavily on these tools which sometimes show high and low at the same time. What about GANN analysis? What about his cycles? Do they work? Or these are just there to make a public fool? Well, how can you trust on anything without proof? That is the reason why I forecast markets on Twitter. Sometimes I make errors too, but that is because I only use one cycle for these forecasts. If you put an inversion cycle in there and a larger cycle with its inversion system, along with the price system, that, my friend, is all another level. One has to see himself to believe. But anyway, this is a Bitcoin forecast going on, where 7th of February needs to be high. Let's look at the forecast. Okay, so this is the chart of Bitcoin. So, now let's see how our forecast worked. 7th of February was high on the forecast. What was the market high? It was the 8th February. So it was one trading day off. Then our next projected low was on 13th February. And the market low was 13th February. Well, that is spot on. The next move in the market was 20th of February high. And the move came on 21st February. One trading day off here. Our next projected low is on 25th February. What do you think? Is this coincidence? Can you replicate that? One thing I can say for sure is that GANN methods work on crypto as well as currency markets and stock markets too. And they work with great accuracy. And one more thing, don't you think? If you were aware of these dates before, you could make money. I agree that sometimes the market gets tricky. But 15 out of 20 times you will have these types of moves. Even in that one, the very first move was a bit tricky from 30th Jan to 8th February. But if it had stop loss on the low price of 30th Jan, it was in fact a profitable move. Some people believe the lunar cycle is not tradable at all. This forecast is my answer to them. You can visit my website thegannway.com. Hope you will succeed too. Goodbye.